Hi guys, picked this up in the charity shop today, Sue Ryder charity shop in Kingswood. Had a quick look at it in the charity shop video and discovered that the batteries are well corroded and leaking in here. So I'll have to tidy it up, clean it up a bit, and then we'll see if we can get it to go. Just so you can see, it's pretty awful in there. So we'll have to dig them out, and it's no better in the controller. I wonder if those batteries have got dates on them. I'll have a look. Well, we're not going to get a date off the batteries because usually the date's stamped on the end there, and they're all corroded, all of them. No, so we're not going to know how old those batteries are. Not that it really matters, it just would have been interesting. Made in Poland. Unusually for me, I've actually put gloves on. I usually don't bother, and as a result of that, I usually end up with dry, cracked skin. So we've got some contact cleaner here, which we'll use. Got a rag. We may even end up having to swap the connections out entirely if they're too rusted. I think the springs on here are probably not going to survive. Oh, that one's got a shiny surface. But that one hasn't. And that spring's broken entirely. And that one's got a bit of shine on it. It depends on whether it's rusty or whether it's just the stuff that's leaked out the battery is crystalline over the top of it. If it's just crystalline over the top, you can get the crystals off. But if the metal's actually rusted, then it's rusted. You ain't going to fix it other than actually changing it out. If we can just get a good enough contact to give it a little run, and then we can look at whether we're actually going to replace these. That would be the proper thing to do. So if I can just scrape enough of the rust off so we can actually make contact. Probably can't see on the camera, but we have actually got a shiny surface on there now. Let's get some batteries. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't expect that. Well, I really thought we were going to have to do more work than that. Oh, we'll give it a little run on the floor. I haven't put the battery cover back on. I haven't put the one back on the car either. Yeah, range isn't very good. The batteries just fell out. Right. Okay. Maybe I better put the battery cover back on. Right. Put the battery box cover back on. Oh, stopped. Why have we stopped? Well, batteries are dropped out. They're a bit loose in there. Need a bit of foam or something to hold them in place. The lights aren't coming on now. Looks like the motor's drawing too much current, so the lights aren't lighting up. They're all right if I lift it off the ground, but they only flicker when it's running. Still, that could just be that we haven't got very good contact, electrical contact on those batteries. I think that'll do for now. We've actually got it running just by cleaning up the batteries terminals. Yeah, we might have a second look at it, try and clean it up a bit better, but at least we got it working. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.